Hey, what's up Tube? Wellington here and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield, today we have the ONYX Studio 5 going up against the JBL XTREME 2. To the battlefield, the XTREME 2 brought two 70mm woofers and two 20mm tweeters and officially is rated to go as low as 55 Hz on the lower side of the frequency curve. While on the other side, the Studio 5 brought one 120mm woofer, one 25mm tweeter, and yes, it is a mono speaker, but it's also rated to go as low as 50 Hz. And as usual, I'll be using a high quality binaural microphone, so for the best experience, please use headphones. With that said, let's hear the speakers speak.
Je peux vous le rendre, Seigneur, Seigneur, car avec les soldats, il est toreros, et veut s'entendre, pour plaisir, ils ont les combats.
This is kind of where the XTREME 2 ends. Okay, there's a little bit there, but I think that's the end of it. Okay, so the Extreme 2 is louder than the Studio 5 by about 1 dB according to my measuring. So not really by much, but it is a little bit louder. The highs on the Extreme 2 are also a little bit more defined than those on the Studio 5. But while the Extreme 2 could be known as a bass-heavy speaker, the Studio 5 actually has more bass than the Extreme 2. And as you could hopefully tell with the low frequency response test, the Studio 5 is able to reproduce lower notes that the Extreme 2 can only dream of. And for those people who are not all about the bass, you might actually find it to be a little bit too much bass in some songs. I do personally like both the speakers, and that's if we disregard the design of the Studio 5. But here's what I think. If you are interested in the most balanced speaker of the two, the Extreme 2 it is. It is brighter, it's louder, it's waterproof, and has stereo sound. On the other hand, for someone who doesn't mind a little bit more bass in their music, like a little bit more than even what the Extreme 2 can give you, well, then the Studio 5 won't disappoint you. And this doesn't mean that all it plays is bass, horribly balanced, blah blah blah. No, that's not what I'm trying to say. It actually sounds pretty good. They balance things out pretty good. It's just that for someone who is used to listening to flat sound, that's your kind of sound profile that you like, you will find that with the Studio 5, it leans a lot more on the bass heavy side, even more so than the Extreme 2. What do you guys think? Drop me a comment down below. And whichever one you decide to check out, I'll leave the links to them down in the description section below so you can get an up-to-date pricing. They might also be on sale, who knows? And using those links also supports the channel, so thank you to the few of you who go through and use those links. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're new here, please subscribe so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos. And if you liked this one, leave it a like. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike. I just want to get some sort of feedback from you because, you know, you watched the video. Thanks for watching again. I will see you in the next video. Peace.